Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best garden hose reels that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Suncast Resin Outdoor Hose Hideaway. The number 1 on the list is the best garden hose reel you can ever get for your garden. This from Suncast. It is their CPL-PT 175 Hose Hideaway. This is not like any other reel. It will add class to your garden and give you a hidden place to hide your hose. Suncast 175 feet, Slide Track Hose Hideaway is a great addition to your lawn and garden. Store away up to 175 feet, of 5/8 in, vinyl hose in this stylish hose reel. Constructed of durable resin, this contemporary designed hose reel will keep your landscape uncluttered for years to come. The slide track technology evenly winds the hose onto the reel for optimum storage capacity. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Decorative Cast Aluminum Wall Mount Garden Hose Reel. We have reached the number 2 on our list, and on number 2 we have another garden hose reel from the Liberty Garden Products. This time we have one of their best looking reels that can also act as a showpiece in your garden. This is the 704 Decorative Case Wall Mount Reel. Liberty Garden Products 704 Aluminum Decorative Wall Mounted Hose Reel is stylish and functional. This reel easily secures to walls, holding up to 125 feet of 5/8 garden hose and has 5 feet of leader hose. Simply pull out the hose for use, retract when done. A 7-inch x 14-inch shelf is perfect for holding your garden and watering tools. At number 3, we have the Suncast RSW125D Aquawinder 125-foot capacity hose reel. Another one from Suncast. This is one of their most good-looking storage for hose reels. It looks like it has been designed with wood. However, it is made of a material that is long-lasting and will keep the product away from any damages. Resin Wicker 125-foot hose reel. Note: hose feed will not work correctly unless the guide is all the way to the left when the feed is started. During rewind, approximately 4 to 6 gallons of water will be discharged from the drain hose. Discharged water can be collected for use in watering plants or outdoor cleaning. At number 2, we have the Liberty Garden Products 870 Mi2 Garden Hose Reel Cart. On number 5 on our list is the Liberty Garden Pro 870 Mi2. This is one of the most versatile garden hose reels that you can buy for your garden. The best part about this garden hose reel is that it is wheeled and can be moved around easily for the comfort of the user. Liberty Garden Products 4-wheel hose carts are designed for all your garden and landscaping needs. They also make hose storage easy and stylish. The 870 M1 4-wheel hose reel cart holds 300 feet of 5/8-inch hose. The pneumatic tires allow this cart to roll easily over rough ground, and the low center of gravity helps prevent tipping. Made of 13-gauge steel, this cart has a tough, weather-resistant powder coat finish and brass, galvanized fixtures. Includes 5 feet of inlet hose. And finally, at number 1, we have the Strongway Perpendicular or Parallel Wall Mount Garden Hose Reels. Number 9 on our list of the best garden hose reels in 2019 is the Strongway Perpendicular or Parallel Wall Mount Garden Hose Reel. This is one of the strongest hose reels. It is a simple reel gray that can be easily mounted on the wall with the help of some screws. With the Strongway Wall Mount Hose Reel, hose management has become easy. This heavy-duty reel is built upon a durable steel frame with a corrosion-resistant industrial powder coat finish, with heavy-duty brass fittings. The reel is rated at 150 psi for use with any municipal water source. Most garden hoses are rated well below that, so there is no need to worry about this hose reel falling short. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.